Normally, during sleep, the muscles which control the tongue and soft palate hold the airway open. If these muscles relax, the airway narrows and is partially obstructed. As air moves through the smaller space, it causes the soft tissues to vibrate, causing breathing difficulties and creating the sound of snoring. If these muscles relax too much, the airway can become completely blocked, preventing breathing, though the effort to breathe continues. After a period of time, which may be 10 seconds or more, the brain realizes it isn't getting enough oxygen and alerts the body to wake up and start breathing again. The cycle can repeat itself hundreds of times throughout the night, severely disrupting sleep. These obstructions also increase heart rate, raise blood pressure, and eventually blunt the body's automatic response system, resulting in increasingly more severe apneas. Central sleep apnea is far less common and happens when breathing stops but the airway is open. This is caused by the body failing to breathe automatically, almost as if a short circuit prevents the brain from keeping the respiratory system working properly. Mixed apnea is a mixture of both obstructive and central sleep apnea.